everyone, it's been a while, hasn't it? I'm sorry I haven't been keeping up with my uploads. Being on vacation, it's been hard to find time to actually really do anything. We've had a couple storms lately, and I decided, I really wanted to draw the Eddsworld 4 again without Ari, so why not draw them in the rain? And it was really nice. It took about 9 hours, but the end product I really ended up liking. I have a couple more uploads I'm going to be giving y'all over the next couple days, or maybe all today, to make up for my absence. But enjoy the speed paint. Sorry if it's going a little fast, I don't know how to fix it. Goodbye!